Tomorrow marks 2 weeks since South Carolina's fetal heartbeat law took effect. A 14th Circuit solicitor who serves Allendale, Beaufort, Colleton, Hampton, and Jasper counties says historically they haven't seen hardly any abortion cases even before Roe v. Wade was the law of the land. He tells WJCL he actually doesn't expect to see many more in the future.
If it's strictly based on history, I'm not sure that we as prosecutors in South Carolina will see a lot of these cases.
If you do see a case, how would you handle it?
Same way I'm handling any other criminal case. We're the executive branch of government. Our job is to carry out the law and not write it. So whatever the legislature writes, I'll take the facts of the case, I'll compare it to that law, and then act accordingly.